Hi everyone, my name is Idil and welcome to my kitchen. In this video, we are going to make an amazing dish together called tomato gratin. I say tomato gratin, but it will be something between bread and cake. It's very delicious. You can serve it at your brunches, you can serve it with dinner, alongside of dinner, and it's super simple to make. That's why I love it. So, first off, I'm going to whisk the eggs. I have 4 eggs in front of me. Always keep in mind, if your eggs are at room temperature, you will have a better result when making cakes. So to the eggs, I'm adding half a cup of milk. I'm using full fat cow's milk, but you can substitute it with different milk types if you want to. And I'm adding a 1/4 cup of melted butter. Butter to me is a must in this recipe. It does add a great flavor. But if you do want, you can substitute it with some olive oil. To the wet ingredients, I'm adding some paprika, about a teaspoon I will say, or maybe a bit more, and some salt. I'm not adding too much salt because I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese as well, and Parmesan is going to make this quite salty too, so do keep that in mind. And now I'm adding 100 grams of flour, and 100 grams of Parmesan cheese. And this is looking great. So this is the consistency that we want. Now what I'm going to do is I'm taking an oven tray like this. You can make it in a square, you can make it in a circular shape, whatever you want. And with this remaining butter here, there's always some butter. I'm just going to butter the bottom, adding some fresh basil here. If you don't have it on hand, you can use dried basil, giving it another mix. And I'm transferring this into my oven tray, like so. And you can really see the consistency that we want. And now I'm simply placing the tomatoes that I've cut in half on top of the batter. And now it's time to cook this. I'm going to put it in the preheated oven at 180 Celsius degrees, and it's going to stay in there about 35 minutes, and then it will be ready. The tomato gratin stayed in the oven for about 35 minutes, and it smells so delicious. And look at the top, it's golden brown, and I just can't wait to cut myself a slice. Look at that tomatoes, how amazing they look. And I'm going to give it a taste as well. I might burn a little because it's quite hot. And do keep in mind, it's always better to rest it a little bit before you serve it, but I can't resist. It's very flavorful because of the basil and the Parmesan cheese, but my favorite part is when the tomato pops in your mouth and it makes it all watery, the bread all watery, and to me it's just perfect. Super delicious, very easy and quick to make. I hope you guys do try it as well, and if you do, don't forget to leave your comments down below. I share a lot of easy, wholesome Mediterranean recipes, so if you haven't done so, please do subscribe. I hope to see you next time. Bye!